The J extension identifies a Jasmin assembly language file containing Java bytecode assembly instructions for JVM class file generation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you edit, assemble, or troubleshoot these Java bytecode files. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized J tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. J files are Jasmin assembly language source files containing human-readable Java virtual machine bytecode instructions. They provide a low-level interface for generating JVM class files, enabling direct manipulation of Java bytecode for education compiler development and code analysis. Jasmin J files use a text-based syntax with JVM directives, including .class, .super, bot method, and end method alongside bytecode mnemonics like invokevirtual aload, ireturn, and bipush. They follow the JVM specification for instruction semantics and operand types. The J format has primary linkage to the Jasmin application by John Meyer and Troy Downing. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows may show the code clearly, yet proper execution requires compatible development tools. The solution begins by systematically testing the programs. Right-click the J file and choose Open With. Use Jasmin as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be methodical in your testing. If your J file is not opening yet, that is normal. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, assembling to class files. Install Jasmin Assembler and run java jar jasmin.jar file name jj to assemble the source into a JVM class file. The output classname.class can be executed with Java class name. Jasmin resolves symbolic references and generates proper constant pool entries. Next, editing bytecode. Open J files in any text editor with Java syntax highlighting as an approximation. Write JVM instructions following the bytecode specification. Use .limitStack and .limitLocals directives to set frame sizes. Refer to the JVM specification for instruction details. Finally, use cases. Jasmin is primarily used in compiler construction courses for generating JVM bytecode from custom language compilers. It is also used for bytecode level analysis and modification of Java programs. Understanding Jasmin helps in learning JVM internals and Java security analysis. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.